Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Sukhmani here and I hope you guys are doing well this quarantine. So for today's video, we're going to be swatching out these watercolor pencils that I owned from like the medieval ages. So here's my sketchbook, some water and these watercolor pencils by Camlin. See, now I tried my best to arrange these in like the most rainbow way possible, and we will be starting with purple. I literally sound like Ross in Friends from that episode, the one with the embryos. We'll be starting with apples. Don't mind me, like this is my first voiceover and it's like very funny. So the main purpose for swatching your colors is to understand the shade and the pigment of the color you're using, and also it's easier to keep it as a reference for painting in the future, because you know the color on the pencil is never the color you get. I'm surprised to see like how good of a condition these colors are in, because I've had them since like 10th grade. I got them in an art competition. Something about like watching these color swatches gives me like satisfaction. It makes me feel like peaceful, and I think that's what you need right now because of everything going on in the world. while swatching these shades, I noticed that they don't have a shade number. Then I put same number on the back of the pencil, so it's easier for me to look for the pencil of the same shade. And so here is how these colors turned out. I hope you guys are doing well and staying inside your home. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also check out my Instagram in the description down below. Bye.